What's going on, guys? I hope everyone's having a great day. I'm having an awesome day. I'm about to go ride these trails wearing my little G-Shock Square. We're going to talk about this one, and we're also going to talk about some new releases from Casio. I put a poll up. You guys asked for more price-conscious watches, more affordable watches, and I think this is a very good one to start with. We're going to start with it. We're going to have a lot of them over the next couple of weeks. But yeah, let's get into this one. And let's get into the new releases that were just put out by Casio G-Shock this week. See you in a second. Alright guys, welcome back. It was just too pretty to stay inside today. So I hope you like this format. If you do, let me know in the comments below. If you don't, let me know in the comments below. We'll do more, we'll do less, depending on what you like. Just like the poll I put out, I do want to listen to you guys, and I do want to grow the channel with what you guys want to see. I am wearing this DW5600 on my left wrist. Why wear it over something like a Garmin or something of that sort? Well, we'll get into that. But first, let's talk about this poll. I put a poll up, had a bunch of options, tutorials, how-tos, got 8%, news on new releases and watch companies got 17%, more Swiss watches, got 8%, tools and straps and stuff got 17%, but the wide majority of you guys seem to want to see reviews on affordable watches like Casio, Timex, Citizen, that sort of thing. So that's what we're going to start with this Casio G-Shock. Looking at this guy, this is the DW5600-E. This one in black, this one my own. I've had this one for a little over a year now. We picked it up at Walmart on the channel. I love it. It's a 4-button classic square design. We're going to talk about that design and the origins of it. But I use this thing for pretty much everything, including mountain biking, hiking, running. And again, you know, you would think you would use a Garmin for this, but I've broken Garmin's mountain biking. I've broken Garmin's doing other things. I have never broke a G-Shock. And that goes back to the inventor, and I'm going to massacre his name, I always do, but Killabyte, I believe. I'm not sure. Massacre me in the comments if that's wrong, but great idea from this gentleman. He broke his watch and worked till 1983 to release this watch, mainly aimed at construction workers. Has a 20-bar, 100-meter water resistance, a 10-year battery, mud resistant, shock resistant, and he would even submerge these in the bathroom toilet to test the water resistance and drop them from the 3rd floor window of his office to check shock resistance. So you know the production models are something cool. You know, these were produced in real world. This wasn't machine testing. This was real world testing. So you know it's gonna work. Classic 4-bar design, adjust, mode, start, stop, and light respectively. Going from left top to bottom and then right top to bottom. Yeah, just a cool watch. And why would I pick this over a Garmin for mountain biking? Well, I'm about to show you right now. Oh, well, that sucked. Whew. All right, the leaves just made me where I could not see the trail, but let's get back into the watch itself. On the wrist, it fits very, very nicely. You know, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on measurements here, you can just see that it wraps my 6 3/4 wrist very, very nicely. This is one of the most comfortable watches I've ever worn. And yes, it is a vinyl watch. But vinyl doesn't necessarily make it bad. You can see on a super bright day like today, this display is super, super easy to read. Yet another reason I like it for running, for mountain biking, that sort of thing. Aside from the water resistance, aside from the shock resistance, and aside from the comfort, it has a stopwatch, so I can keep track of time. It has a countdown timer, so if I'm at an event and I want to complete it in a time, I've got it. And now they've released these guys, callbacks to the original G-Shock, callback colors, beautiful blue, retro yellow, and a really cool sort of hunter green for these three. And let's take a little closer look at that lineup. Price-wise, you're going to come in at $99 for the DW56 RB2, which is the blue, the RB3, which is the green, and then my favorite, this yellow. Look at this stunning yellow in the REC9, coming in at $110, guys. And this is available as an option that includes many different straps, or 2 different straps. So you get your anniversary color, your yellow color, but then you also get this red bezel and strap combo, and this black bezel and strap combo. And then they come in this really nice packaging. G-Shock has really upped its game when it comes to packaging, so you can mix and match what you want on those. And if you take a look at the 1997 version versus the 2021 version that they just released, they have done a really, really good job keeping faithful to that original design while making it a modern watch. Really thankful for this dude. He created some really great watches. He's made my life a lot easier. I think it's definitely worth checking out one of his G-Shock squares. Yes, they make them in titanium. Yes, they make them in stainless steel. But for places like this, I think the vinyl version is perfect. Whether you go with the black, whether you go with some of these new releases, I'll leave that up to you. I've got links in the descriptions below. I'm going to ride a little bit more. I hope you've enjoyed this style of video. If you have, let me know. If you haven't, let me know, and we'll go forward accordingly. But yeah, guys, get out, enjoy the day while you have it. We only have so many, and then it's over. So yeah, get out, throw on a cool watch, go out, do something fun, and we will just talk to you soon. Bye-bye.